What's up, everyone? I just wanted to go ahead and do a breakdown of what comes with the bottom end kit packages that you can get from Enjuku. So as you can see, I have an SR20. Thing's pretty beat up right now, but I'm going to go ahead and get that to the machine shop today. I went ahead and got the cheaper of the two that they have available. This one went up for about 1,200 bucks. It's not bad. The other set's about 1,400. Comes with, your standard set of piston rings. 4 of those, that's easy. Bearings that you need for the bottom end. Looks to be pretty good quality. I mean, different shade of color though than the last bearings that I got. Thrust bearings, that's a must, brand new. Bunch of these. So now these are going to be the H-beam connecting rods. Very clean. I like these. It's like one of the most basic sets you can get, I guess, for forged internals, but they're still pretty nice. And that's what you get inside of the $1,200 bottom end package from Enjuku Racing.